The new Kit Planner is the configurator that helps you to easily create your ideal assortment of tools, choosing from infinite combinations and more than 120 job-specific assortments. Let's see how it works. Click on Start. Here, you can choose whether to equip a roller cabinet, a toolbox, or create an assortment without container. We choose to set up a roller cabinet. Scrolling down the page, you can select the most suitable roller cabinet for your needs. As an example, we choose the 516 SP6V. You can create an assortment with foam or plastic modules. We choose, for example, the foam modules. You can select the modules manually or use preset assortments. In the Preset Assortments section, you can navigate among the various jobs and find more than 100 assortments, which can be modified according to your specific needs. To see the various functions in detail, let's go back and select Manually. On this page, at the top left, we can see the roller cabinet we selected. Under the roller cabinet, we have the possibility to filter the modules according to the category of product. At the top right, we see the composition of the roller cabinet with low and high drawers. The footbar shows all the available modules with an indication of the size. The dimensions of the various sizes are modular with the drawers to optimize spaces without leaving empty areas. Scrolling the bar, you can see some veiled modules. This indicates that these modules cannot be inserted in the selected low drawer, but can only be inserted in the high drawers. Now, as an example, we select the category Screwdrivers and the relative modules will appear. By scrolling on the thumbnails of the available modules, we can click on the magnifying glass to get a full screen image that shows the content of the module. Let's close the full screen image and insert the module by clicking on its name. The plus sign turns red and the configurator will insert the module in the drawer. Let's add another module. And now, let's change the category. We select another module and a small space will remain. Scrolling with the pointer on the veiled modules, a warning appears telling us that the space in the drawer is not sufficient for that module size. So, we will complete the drawer with an active module. Now, by clicking on the arrow, the configurator will automatically go to the next empty drawer. Let's change the category and insert new modules. By mistake, the same module was inserted twice. To remove it, just move the mouse over the image and click on the Recycle Bin icon. Confirm your choice by clicking on the Delete button. Complete the drawer. Remark that the available categories will decrease as soon as the space inside the drawer is reduced, leaving evident only the categories that have modules compatible with the remaining space. In the right column, we choose a high drawer, the number 4. As we can see now, all the modules are available, even those that for the low drawer, for reasons of height dimensions, were not selectable. After completing the configuration of the drawers, click on Continue. On this page, you can add accessories. We proceed to select a couple of them. By clicking on Continue, we arrive at the last step where we find two ways to save the project on your device in PDF and Excel format, with all the codes of the selected products. Alternatively, you can send the PDF or Excel project to an email address of your choice, such as your reference dealer, to receive an offer and buy.